to make German meatballs, or in German say frikadelle. So what you need basically is yeah, I use a lot of onions because earlier the onions was really small. So if you have like mid-size of onions, or you know, the big onions, then you need 2 or 3. If it's small, then you can use 4 or 5, depends. Yeah. So, and also what I use here is 1 kilo of minced beef, and then I also need bread, white bread, and soak with milk. And then I use also 5 eggs because this one is really small eggs. And then also I need peterselli. If you don't have the fresh peterselli, you can also buy the one which is in the supermarket. It's dry one. And then you also need pepper, white pepper, and some salt. And then you also can put bouillon, of course. I don't know if you guys know that. I don't know how to say it in English, bouillon. So it's like for making the food taste a little bit better than the normal one. So just follow me. I will show you how to make it, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. Guys, this is the result from my German meatballs, or the frikadelle. They call it frikadellen. So later, after this, when it's cold, I'm gonna put it in the freezer so you can eat it at any time you want. You don't have to make it from scratch, but of course you have to defrost it before, and then you also have to fry it again for not so long, you know. Or you can also put it in the oven, because basically here it already contains like with oil. So let me know what you think. If you already tried my recipe about this German meatballs or frikadelle or frikadelle recipe. And please don't forget to click subscribe, like, share, comment, and also click the bell button so you will not miss when I have my new video uploaded. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Now this is how am I gonna put my frikadelle or German meatballs, and then put it in the freezer. So this is basically, it's good for keeping it because I already make it half cooked. So it will be safe for the next 6 months basically.